Now we're over here, 21 Tiguan DDS motor. Inspection, found some goo right here. The motor mount is leaking on this side. Go ahead and get that squared up.
This reservoir just pops in?
Yeah, pop in, like everything on the newer cars. 13.
13 right there. 2 16s. Now we're going to take the jack. Put it under the oil pan. Is this plastic or metal?
This is the plastic.
So be extra careful, it is plastic.
So you definitely want to have either a block of wood or a nice big chunk of rubber like that. Just jack it up. Just enough to take the tension off. Yeah. 2 18s.
Yucky.
There we go. Just drop her in.
New mount. 2 16s, 2 18s, and 1 13. Plugging in the 2 16s first, doing the 13.
Okay. Get this guy reinstalled.
Installing the 2 18s.
Alright.
2 18s. Make sure the holes are centered.
Nice and locked in.
Pull your jack out. That's the rubber block we're talking about.